John Tom Edward 9394. We got Studer and Sycamore. Didn't stop me. Going to the curb. What are you going to do? Go ahead.
Hey, don't do it.
We got one going southbound. Studer and Sycamore.
Forrest, going west. He's got a 33 in his waistband. Going south in the alley, Dove. He's cutting across the next street west of. He probably went west. Linwood, Columbus. North and west of.
What's less of this copy of description?
Dover, come back. He's on Linwood. The witness. North of Columbus. Red House.
Description, guy.
.944. Linwood. Don't move! Don't move!
What are y'all chasing me for?
Why are you running?
That's why y'all stopped me.
Give me your hand!
I'm not resisting, sir.
Put your hands down! Put them together, dude!
I am.
Don't fucking move, you understand?
I'm trying to figure out why y'all chasing me. I didn't do nothing.
Toss it 33.
Oh, man.
I got him. Yep.
I don't have nothing.
We need the car, and then we need a K9. We toss it 33. He had it. You hear the car info? Hey, you got the car info from him? .6511, one in custody, 944 Linwood. Somewhere between there and the car. If we can get someone to get the car. Should be the 33 somewhere around the rear of. I'll be checking.
What's her text?
Started with the J. Should be a Charger. A black Dodge. 1 second.
6512 around to that. Series 1. I'll see it over here.
Dover, take the car and go back and see if that car's still there or if it took off.
Accurate, take it down, buddy. Was it in the middle of the street, side of the road?
It was on the side of the road. It parked. He got out. But there should be like stuff on the ground, like chargers and stuff. Right. Sorry.
Sycamore, Studer, John Tom Edward 9394. So John Tom Edward 9394.
Good to see you, man.
Good to see you, bud. He ran right here is where I lost him. Okay. I'm gonna check the 33 right here.
Hey, not 2 channel 5. 10-2. Need you start the Studer shooter in Columbus to south of, please. On a suspect took off. Vista 33, somewhere between there, 944 Linwood. Okay, I'm en route from Blair, sir.
He came through here. He jumped this fence, laid down right here. In the alley, he went north, whatever road that is, Forest. He went east. And then in the first alley, he went north until we get to the cart, Studer.
So he jumped this first?
He jumped from the rear up to here and laid down.
Oh, okay.
So he had a 33 when we got to the alley. I don't know where he did with it. I need to check behind 940 if they'll let me. Just because if he tossed with his right hand, that's probably where it went. Hi guys, how are you? You guys mind putting the dog away just for a second? Hey guys, do you mind if I look in your backyard and make sure you didn't toss something?
Yeah, that's fine.
Is it unlocked right there?
I'll open it for you.
Thank you very much.
What happened?
Just a foot chase. We're just looking for a gun.
Okay.
I am. It's high heels. Thank you, dear. Huh? Yeah, it's true. Do you mind looking at the recycling bins real quick for me, Butler? I love when people run like, what were you pulling me over for? Of course, be a foot chase first stop. You're supposed to hit him with the car, Dover.
Well, I went up there, I shut the car door, I ran back to the car, and I was like, fuck, man, somebody's gonna steal this thing, so I went and turned it off.
Well, look at you. The first day back in a foot chase.
Yeah. So,
No, first day in pants.
first day in pants.
Just like you said.
I'm so mad.
You've spoken into reality.
And guess what? I got my ass kicked.
It's this pants and telling you to take off at least 20 miles an hour.
I'm glad that he stopped. Not a veteran move, but
Oh, it's over here. David's over here.
where you found the gun?
Yeah.
Oh, he chucked it then with his left.
130. 130.
33 recovered.
Hey, I thought he was
Chucked it. He's Springfield Armory.
Who found it? Butler, good job, dude. Sorry for being slow as fuck. You know, I'm not what I used to be. It's just my eating habits and drinking habits.
There we go.
Hi, no problem. Good work.
Must be a dog in that yard.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I already stepped in it.
Did you?
This is good because he needs, Iko, here, he needs stuff like this. Stand still. Like with the disturbance.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
The different odor.
Yeah.
But that was good that he still worked to that gun. So
Yeah, you did.
I appreciate it.
That was pretty quick.
I did 132.
You got a bag?
I do.
Paper bag?
Hey, Doug, you want me to do this through Woods or you want me to do this through that guy? He's had pled the what 3 times?
Woods.
And if he doesn't answer, like, do you contracts?
Call Kirk. And then we'll go through guns crimes, but Woods will take it. That's small. That should be fine. Tyler?
I'm just in the car. I'm a victim.
He's blaming it on him.
He's